Let's go ahead and look at Moderna. I called that out on news this morning. Moderna blasting off almost 12%. Congratulations on that. Moderna's just cranking it out. Had big news, by the way. So 185.58. You can already see this. Seriously, if this breaks out of the gate new high, we're going to see what it wants to do. But I would already long this. Watch, though, if this starts to reverse down here at this 182.13, this is when I would start a small short position. If it continues to move back down to here, which is 180.24, this is where I would definitely be shorting it. But right now, I mean, you have blue skies out here above this 185.86. Does everybody see that? So 185.86, that's going to be a home run for you. There you go. Thank you. So there you go. There's your two moves. I'll mark this one yellow just as because remember, 185.86 is going to be a big level of resistance, right? Because that's where it tapped a couple times. But that's the move. That breaks loose. Hasta la vista, baby.